Hello everyone and welcome back to the last video of my Discord.py series, and this is going to be the last video because I think I've covered almost everything you need to know as a beginner. But maybe if you want to or you have some suggestions, I will add up an additional video to this or additional videos. And otherwise I will just update everything like the GitHub repository. I will also publish it down below. And I hope you kind of learned in this series, with this including 13 episodes, of how you code a bot started and do some basic stuff like grabbing information, working with functions and everything. And after this video, after the series, I will try to start and make a basic Python series. So I will teach you the basics of Python and how to work with it, and also maybe, if I'm almost done with that, an object-oriented programming course, which I try to include in the learning the basics of Python. And after this, I will focus myself on a few different things like learning better programming languages. What means better? Just learning other programming languages, and just going along the way. So I hope I could have helped you with that series. It was really fun to make, and I guess I just see you in the next video. So the reason is it's just really short. And on the last beginning, I want to say, on the last beginning, what am I talking? On the ending, I want to say, just join my Discord server if you have any questions, or if you just want to hang out with the community, or just hang out with me. And yeah, I guess just enjoy your rest of the weekend, and we see us next week.